So now let's do the change infrastructure exercise. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to update the AMI of our instance with the new AMI, and then we will apply it and we'll see how things work. So that's what the change infrastructure, it's like changes in our infrastructure without touching our virtual machine. So we can do that. Normally it is difficult to do that. So here we can do it. So let's do it and see. So for that I will get into the Sublime Text so editor. So where so if you see this file here in resources AWS instances, and then these are the two labels, and here we have EAMI. So this is where I want to do changes. This is Amazon Linux I've taken last time. So this time I'm gonna change this with so let me get into Amazon. So this is the instance, and we have the Amazon instance, Amazon Linux, which is running inside this instance. So let me find a new AMI, or directly I can click on AMI here. Here is the AMI catalog. So I'll just take the Ubuntu, the free version of Ubuntu. So let me type this free tier Ubuntu 18. So nothing has come. Sorry, Ubuntu 20 is also fine. Let me take 20. Nothing. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I'll click on community. So now, yeah, there are Ubuntu, some Ubuntu's. I'll select this Ubuntu. This is the first time I'm seeing AWS Marketplace. I don't want to come into the marketplace. Okay. So let me get back to the AMIs that we have. So Amazon Mission Images. So go to the instance, and then we'll take the free tier instance. The either you can directly check. So Ubuntu, I'll go for the Ubuntu at this moment. That would be easier. So here is the Ubuntu again. So let me browse for more AMIs, and here you should find there are a lot of Ubuntus. I think whichever is the freest version, I'll go for that. Free tier only. I'll check free tier only. So all products got, so we got the free tier ones. So 17 got filtered, and then Ubuntu 22, no, Ubuntu 20. I'll go for this Ubuntu 20. So this is F6. Yeah, so I'll copy this, and then I'll paste this with the existing one. So I'll select it and paste it. So before it was 91 AMI, so this one is F6, this is Ubuntu. So now, so let's keep the remaining things same. So let's see. So we have done the changes. I'll save it. So now this update changes the AMI to Ubuntu AMI. So the AWS provider knows that it cannot change the AMI of an instance after it has been created. So Terraform will destroy the old instance and create a new one. That's how it works. So for that, what we'll do is we will go to that folder where our configuration file is there, and then open git bash there. So let me zoom it. Yeah, this is more than enough. So now it's time to apply the changes. So after changing the configuration, now it's time to run terraform apply. So So we'll click on enter and we'll see what all changes is going to happen to our existing resources. So Terraform apply has been clicked, so has been entered. So now the things have been changing. So the first thing that had happened is AWS. Okay, before I click give a manual value, okay, or else first I'll execute it and then I will explain one by one. So I'll say plan, one to add, zero to change, one to destroy. This is what I want. So this is going to destroy the existing one and then it's going to replace with the new one. So there are no changes. So do you want to perform these actions? Of course, yes, I will say yes, because I only intended to do. So now the aws.intro, these are the labels for the AMI. So that the old one has been is being destroyed and the new one is being added. So that's what is going at this moment presently. So let's see what our changes are happening. So by the time what we can understand is, so there, here at this point you can see the plus symbol and then negative symbol and then tilde symbol. So we are going to understand each and every symbol, what does it mean, and also by the time the things are changing a lot. So we got an error, so creating EC2 instance invalid group not found. The security group SG078 does not exist in VPC. So status code 400. So let me get into that and I'll look into the VPC first, security, and then we'll solve that. Okay. So security group. Okay. We'll get back to the EC2 instance only. Then it's better. So we can get it directly also using. Okay. Again it's stuck. Again it's hung. So it takes some time, maybe while typing. Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it. So last time maybe I did not copy paste in spite of there is something wrong. So let me find out the security group name. Yes, yes, we got it. Let me go to the security group and then this is what the security group that I want. I'll just copy the security group ID. Here it is, security group ID, and then place it here. Where is that? Yeah, here, and then yeah, let me save it back and then run it back. Terraform apply. So now let's see what's going to happen. So again it's asking for the same, so I'll type S, and that means the previous one already had been destroyed. Now it has to add, that's it, nothing much. So it's creating AWS instance. So let's see, let's watch the process. Let's watch the procedure. Once it is done, then we'll go through the complete steps one by one. Okay, initial the destroying procedure and then adding addition procedure, everything we will go through step by step. So what the symbols you have to observe are the plus symbol. So the prefix minus or plus means that the Terraform will destroy and recreate the resource rather than updating it in place. So Terraform can update some attributes in place indicated. Yes, it's done. It's done. It's done. It's apply complete. Resources one added, zero change, zero destroyed, all success. So let me go up and let's see step by step. So we'll look it here from this, where it is, it's too far. Yeah, I think, yep, here. So here if you see, uh, basically the if you find a tilde symbol, so here you can see the, we'll begin with this stage. The first one, the Terraform perform the following actions that it's been saying. So minus or plus basically says it will be destroyed and then it will be recreated instead of in place update. So that's what the minus forward slash plus says. So this is basically it's going to destroy the old AMI and then replace with the new AMI. So that's called force replacement. And after that, you got a tilde symbol. Tilde symbol means updating in place. So it will just update without any destroying and all those things. For image, it has to destroy. For this, it's not required to do that. So then but changing the AMI for an EC2 instance requires recreating it. So Terraform handles these details for you. So and the execution plan displays with Terraform will do. So additionally, as you go up, you see plus, which are additions. You see tilde, that are in place updates. So you can see the lot of features has been added and few features. So here, if you see plus and minus, this is the Vault security group has been updated with the new. Sorry, this is the Vault security group had been destroyed, and then this one has been updated. So there are a lot of things which are added, which are removed, and some are in place updation also being done. So now as we come down, we come to the plan. So additionally, the execution plan shows that AMI change is what forces Terraform to replace the instance. So using this information, you can adjust your changes to avoid destructive updates if necessary. See here, want to add, want to destroy. First, you will destroy the old one, then you will add the new one. That's how the these things work. That's how the change infrastructure works. Then it will ask for your manual intervention. Then you have to give as if that is done. Then once again the Terraform prompts for approval of the execution plan before proceeding. Before proceeding, so you have to answer S to execute the planned steps one by one. So, as indicated by the execution plan, Terraform first destroyed the existing instance and then created a new one in its place. So you can use now we can use Terraform show again to have Terraform print out and the new values associated with this instance. So here you can see the complete log with the new values associated, all the information, volume size, volume type, volume ID, everything. So that's how your infrastructure exercise uh, is done with it, and that's how your infrastructure, any changes that are related with infrastructure can be done.